Hi everybody, welcome to lesson 4 of our Mover Robot unit. And this lesson we're looking at all 4 directions, so we're going to be looking at that more today. So remember that these are the buttons used to program the robot to move. We have that forward and that backwards, and that each one moves the robot 1 square. Okay, just like that. Forward and backwards. Okay, so what do you think these buttons would do? Okay, so let's have a look what that does. So we've got a bit opposite shows on here. Let's have a look. Okay, it turns us. So these buttons turn the robot. It doesn't make us move to another square. So remember, the forwards and the backwards moves us forward to a new square or back to another square. The turn ones, turn left and turn right, just turn us on the square we are on. Okay, so let's have a look. So let's just go onto the platform here. If you remember this from the other lesson, let's have a look at that. So I've got my robot. I'm just going to start it back to where it was. So my B-bot. So let's have a look. We've got our turn left, and let's just see what that does. And you see that it moves only on the square it's on. So let's clear that, put that back. Let's try the other side. Turn right. And again we've got it just stays on that same square. So let's pop that back. So let's put some together and see what happens. So I'm going to go forward. I'm going to turn left. And I'm going to go forward. So let's have a look. So I should go forward to another square, turn left on that square facing this way now, and move forward 1 square. So I should end up here. So let's try that out. Turn on the same one and then forward. Okay, so we can put that together to get our robot to move around in 4 different directions now. So let's have a look. So very similar to last lesson, we have this little robot on this map. So can we work out where the B-bot will end up? So let's look at that first one. We've got this program here using this map here. So we've got the clear the screen. We go forward 1. So forward 1 would take me to the star. Turn right. So turning right, remember I'm not moving off that star, I'm staying on the star. So I turn round, so I'm now facing towards the sun, that's right. And then I go forward 1. So I go forward 1 and I end up on the sun. So following that program, I have got forward, right, forward. Okay, we've got that go, because obviously it won't work without go. So I go forward, turn right, forward, and I end up on the sun. Let's have a look at this second one. So we've got clear the screen. I'm going to turn right first. So here's my B-bot. I'm facing up towards that star again, but I'm going to turn right first. So staying on that same square, I'm going to turn to the right. So I'm facing this blue lightning, purple lightning, and then I'm going to go forward 1. So I go forward onto the purple lightning, and then go back 1, and go back 1. So I'm actually ending up back where I started. So the important difference, it's really important that those buttons that move a robot to another square is the forwards and the backwards, and the other ones only turn us on the same square. So what I'd like you to do, very similar to what we've just done and what we did last lesson, there are some programs for you to follow and move your robot and work out where I'm going to end up if we are starting where our B-bot starts. So have fun using all 4 of those directions to move your B-bot around. I'll see you next lesson.